ChatGPT doesn't actually know your data, but with this method, you can make it answer questions as if it reads your entire knowledge base. This is called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. Here's how it works. First, your data gets broken into chunks. Second, each chunk is converted into embeddings, mathematical fingerprints. Third, when you ask a question, the AI first searches these fingerprints, finds the most relevant chunks, and then feeds them into the LLM. So instead of hallucinating, the AI grounds its answers in your actual data. Let's say you upload 500 company policies. Normally, ChatGPT has no idea about them, but with RAG, you ask, how many sick days do I get? And it responds with the exact number because it pulled that data line directly from your documents. That's why almost every enterprise AI system uses RAG. It makes AI trustworthy, personalized, and actually useful. Follow me for more AI concepts explained simply so you can use AI, not just hear about this.